We in East Orange, y'all, but there's no street sign. I know this is Main Street, but there's no street sign here. So I don't know what street. I was just told to go check out this spot right here. What is called Limin's Cafe Carib Restaurant. Let's check it out. Let's go check it out. This Cicely Tyson Community School right there, Performing Arts. I know that. Right there. Let's see what we got.
It's Wine Street.
Welcome right there, y'all. Uh-oh. Got my cuz right there, y'all. You ordered?
Yeah, I ordered my oxtail. You know that. I didn't trade the oxtail.
That's all you got? Is this the menu?
Yeah.
Oh, what should I get? What should I get? What should I get? What's the good food? The roti? Oh, I'm so tempted now. I really feel like I'm in the Caribbean right now. I feel like I'm in the Carib, y'all. Okay, she told me to get the roti. What is that?
You don't know what roti is?
I don't.
There's different types of rotis here.
Yeah.
There's the chicken, the goat, there's the book. Like a lot of Americans that have never had our food,
Yeah.
boneless chicken is like an introduction to the food.
So I can get the saltfish roti?
You can get saltfish.
I'm gonna do that.
Shrimp. I think
Which would you choose?
I mean, I like goat, but
Yeah.
you gotta, I don't know if that's something you can try. So there's goat, there's boneless chicken.
Okay, give me the goat. Give me the goat roti.
It has bones, so when you chew it, just be careful. Make sure
Okay.
you bite around.
Okay.
So you'll have a goat fry.
Thank you so
I got
much.
the goat roti, y'all. My cousin got the oxtail, but he going home to eat it. I'm gonna eat mine in the car. And then I got a ting. Y'all, we about to get down on my goat roti. Yep, we outside, y'all. We're in East Orange here. Right now, we're in East Orange on Main Street. We're on Main Street, if you're familiar with East Orange. The courthouse is down that way. New Jersey Transit train. Look, y'all. What y'all think about that? This is the first time in my life that I'm gonna have goat roti. What's up, family? It's your man, Mad DV. We're here in East Orange, man. I just came from getting me some goat roti, man, at the Trinidad spot right around the corner. Let's check it out, y'all. I was going down here. My cousin got some oxtails. I was going down here to this one restaurant, was suggested, but it's Friday and they have Jumu'ah today. Some Muslim brothers own it, Muslim family. So we're gonna go back to them maybe tomorrow or next week. But right now, let's check out this roti, man. Y'all seen our tour. I want to tell, oh my goodness, right here. That's a lot. Look at that. Look at that. This the roti part of it, I believe. I'm gonna set that aside because I want to bite into some of this goat. I gotta make sure I don't drop my food on the ground too. Look, 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 look. I see some goat in there. See that goat? Look, that is really tasty. I taste cumin, I taste curry. Oh my goodness. Get that, cuz. See that close up right there, y'all? This is really good. I just wanted to get a couple bites. The spot is official. It's a Trini spot. Y'all go check it out. A lot of potatoes. Oh, look. See that goat right there? And let me reach in this. Look at that goat meat, y'all. Look at that goat meat. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Very tender. It has delicious spices in there. Herbs and spices, man. I got some potato here and there. I'm not a big potato person. I'm not a big potato person, but let's check it out. The potatoes taste buttery, deliciously buttery. Look at that, man. Can y'all see that? Out here in East Orange, y'all. Just the roti part of it. I guess you're supposed to kind of like grab this and let's just grab a piece of meat out of there. It's really bony. The guy was telling me too it's bony, so be careful. I just want to pull a piece. Look at that meat, y'all. It's got a lot of. Yo, this is really good. It's official. It's official, y'all. It's kind of tricky. I'm gonna put that on the car for now. Let me get another piece of that meat out of there. Look at that, man. Look at that goat meat. It's so delicious. I was that bone. He said, be careful of the bones. There's a little bone right there. And another one. Little pieces of bone. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. And then we mix this with it. I got my cousin here holding the camera. I don't want to have him holding the camera up long. This your man, Matt DV. I'm So Newark. We up here in East Orange, checking out some restaurants. Do East Orange have any good food? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. One more piece of goat out of there. I know I'm supposed to be mixing it all with the roti. I'm gonna vote them best spices. All right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap this up. Like, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll be notified. I do have a napkin in the bag. Eating some goat roti here at this place right here. That's the address. Come check them out. As y'all see, the place was crowded, man. A lot of Caribbean people was checking it out. This is your man, Matt DV. I'll see you guys in the next one.